Hello everyone, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today's recipe, we are going to make marbled pound cake, a very easy and delicious recipe. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so these are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So the first thing to do is to cream your butter and sugar. Okay, so you combine everything in a mixing bowl and then you cream or beat until it's light and fluffy. Make sure to scrape the sides whilst you are creaming so that everything will be well combined. Okay, so once I'm done creaming the sugar and butter, I'll go ahead and add my eggs. So I'll be adding 2 eggs and then I will mix, and then I'll add another 2 eggs and mix. So in all, it's 4 eggs. Please make sure the eggs are fresh and room temperature eggs, okay? If you don't have a hand mixer, that is okay. You can do it manually by using the hand whisk. That's fine. Okay, so the next thing is to add the vanilla essence and then mix it for a few seconds. So at this point, I'll go ahead and sift in the flour, baking powder and salt. And then once everything goes inside, I will fold in the wet and dry ingredient all together before I use the machine. So once you start using the hand mixer, you can go ahead and add your milk and beat until everything is well incorporated. Make sure to scrape the side of the mixing bowl so that all the ingredients will be well mixed. Okay, so once I have achieved the smooth batter, I'll just do away with the hand mixer and then use my spatula to mix it for a few seconds. Okay, so the next step is to divide your batter into 2 because we are going to do marble cake. So I will be mixing with cocoa powder, and then after we proceed to do the marble design. Please make sure to sift the cocoa powder as I did to have a smooth mixture because cocoa powder has a lot of lumps. Okay, so at this point I'll go ahead and spray the baking pan with a non-stick spray. You can use the butter and flour method as well. This helps your cake to come out easily after baking. So what I'm doing is I'm going to drop the butter in it, and then it shouldn't be in order. So I first put the white butter and then the cocoa powder butter. That's how I did it. You can drop it in it anyhow. It shouldn't be in order so that you could achieve a beautiful marble cake. Okay, so once everything goes inside the pan, I will be using a cake tester to make a swirl design inside, just rough. Okay, you can also use the skewer for the kebab, which is also fine, and then bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes the cake is ready, so I'm going to check with a cake tester. If it comes out clean, it means it's done. So allow it to cook completely before you remove it from the pan. Okay, so the cake has been cooling for about 30 minutes now, so I'm going to turn it over. Just put your cooling rack on top of the cake and then flip it over. Okay, so this is our beautiful marble cake. I'm just going to set it on my plate and show you how beautiful it really looks like. So this is the cake. Yes, as I said, please, if you don't have the non-stick spray, that's okay. Just use butter, smear the butter in your pan and sprinkle with some flour. So let me show you how the inside looks like. Very beautiful. You can do the marble in any style that you want. Shouldn't be like how I did it. You can also achieve any style that you want. This cake is fluffy and very moist. You can go ahead and add ice cream. You can take it with coffee or Milo, anything that you prefer. Okay, so if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Kindly stay tuned for more and amazing recipe. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.